Very good morning, afternoon, or evening, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an oriental chase dragon for Japan. Okay, for the materials you will need blue and white iris sheets, hands, preferably human, scissors, and glue. Well, to start with, I will show you how to make the pies. In this case, I made pies with chips for 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters. In the first instance, the chips are folded in half horizontally, later in half vertically. Then the corners are folded towards the inside that is towards the fold made previously. Then the remaining rectangles are folded towards the inside. Finally, the corners are folded and closer to the inside. In this way. Since the later to make the pies, you need to make 158 whites and 262 blues and 2 black pies, either that color or paint or so whites. When the pies are done, we will start assembling the body. First, we are going to assemble 3 blue and 2 white as follows. 2 blue, 1 black, 1 white, blue, and white. I'll continue like this until you get 60 rows. In this way, it has to be, and as you can see, it has 16 rows. 16. And continue like this until they will continue with their head. So take the end where we end this. We start by placing blues in the following order. 2 blues, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. Then we put white, blue, blue, and white. Later put with 3 blues, 1, 2, and 3. Later put white, blue, blue, white, then we put black, blue, blue and black, then we put white, blue, blue and white. And we continue with the horns using 6 blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One white. And 2 white. One white. And 2 white. In this way. Next, we will do through the tail. We start with 2 blues. 1 and 2. 2 blues again. 1 and 2. And then 7 blue in a row. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for the end, we put 2 blues in a front, in this way, and in this way, and then white in the following order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In this way. Finally, we are going to make the legs in blue. 1, 2 blue, 3, 2 blue again. Later we put white. 1, 2, and 3 white. We need 4 legs and put one blue in our left for the left leg. And one blue in the right of right legs. We continue shaping the body and adding glue to keep it firm, and also to the head, tail and legs.